Hey guys, it's Meteor14 here, Meteor14. Okay, so today I'm gonna be doing a game called Work at Pizza Place on Roblox. And this concludes my first video, so I hope you enjoy. Let's get to it. Okay, guys, look how much pizza that we have to make, and look at that guy. Okay, I'll go help him. I think I'm nice. Wait, need to make sure. Okay, it's a blurb. Dough. We need more dough. Wait, John. Dough. Dun dun dun. Okay, so let's go here. Meow. Yeah, that's so cool. Fast. Okay. First, I want to make the Batmobile that I have learned to do with my fam. Okay. So, no, I don't want to drive you. I don't want. Whoa. Okay. Start off. This type of tires. Okay. This one side music. Wow. It's very emotional. Okay, and then for the last part of this car, black. Yeah, there you go. Hope you like that car, guys. Looks very cool, doesn't it? Okay. Uh-oh. Accident. 10 hours later. Okay, here. My job. Oh. Surprise! That's kind of mean. Oh, goal! Hey, I made a goal. Goal. Go make me some beautiful pizza that I have learned at my Mama's Pizzeria or Papa's Pizzeria. I don't know. Baby's Pizzeria. Okay, just keep on unpacking. Oh gosh, this guy's trying to hit me. It's like, oh, I don't care. I'm just gonna hit you. I think he's doing the tutorial. Let's keep on just putting all this stuff away. It's not my truck. My best truckette. Oh gosh. Something fell out of my truck. What do you do? Just get inside. Okay, I think that I put too little, but let's just go. Hey, car accident. Oh gosh. This guy is annoying me. Just enjoy my day. Da 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 da. Is there any trucks here? No. I can just drive safely. This is pretty fun. Yeah, guys, this is the most funnest thing ever. I'm gonna cry. It's so fun. Let's keep on. Okay. What? Just happened right here? It's missing. What? Do I have infinite? This person's not causing trouble. Because I don't even know who that person is. It's jammed. Oh, yeah. Oh, I think because it crashed, something happened. Okay, so we got still this. Okay. Okay, there you go. Not me. This is so sad. Okay. Pizza time. Oh yeah, we got 19 pizza instead. I do like pizza. We did it. Did someone just do something to themselves? Wait, what was that? Ew. I don't like that. What did I do to you? What did you do to yourself? Ooh, wait. What toppings do I put on that pizza? Good. Anchovies and blovies. 100 monies. Ooh, I want to work at a drive-through. You have a drive-through here? Welcome to McFrothy's. Wait, no, not McFrothy. Welcome to McDonald's. How's your day? Oh, there's no one here. No wonder. Ooh. Yes, what would you like? We have the best here. Your order, please. Ah, pepperoni. Very good. A very good choice. A very, very good. Guys, someone stole my car. Come here. Someone stole my car. I bet you I know who it is. That's it. Revenge time. Over your car. Let's have it. Pink. Pink galore. He's gonna love it. He's gonna love his brand new car. Just show out your smile, guys. He's gonna love his brand new car by a lot. Do I want to buy something? Oh, I like that. Cool. I'm a ninja. I just heard someone scream. I want to make my house big. Okay, yeah, let's go. Let's go to my house. Let's figure out where it is first. Just having my daily stroll. Well, there's my house. Nope. Hey, I kind of like that. That's kind of cool. Someone literally parked a truck in front of my house. Very delightful. Ooh. Wait, what songs are here? So we got... my favorite song. Do not come up. Oh, wait. Get down! Say the land! Go, let's find down! Get up again! You and me go overtime. Why is there a microwave up here? Dun dun. Hey, close the door, please. Down! Yes. Okay. Oh, I know this. stand. I don't know the song at all, so I'm just gonna walk away with dignity. Please. I still have my earbuds. Not anymore. I would like this. Fire! Okay. C. Closed. Okay. What does that mean, closed? Okay. Let's work harder. The pizza place. Just walk past that. Ooh, I can be a pizza. Guys, who thinks that I can be a pizza? Literally. Okay, too much fireballs. Yeah, look, there was just a ball rolling. I came out. Oh. Okay, I'm okay. I need a Mountain Dew. Let's cook it. Science rules. Who ordered a Mountain Dew? I'm gonna waste all this pizza since no one's making any. I'm so cruel, guys. Okay. There you go. Just a random pizzas. Let's watch all these pizzas. Okay. 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 Okay, yes, pizza's coming in. No, I don't want any more pizza. I'm gonna do something really dangerous again. Can I even move now? I don't even know, guys. Like, what if I was unable to move? I don't need your stuff. Hi. Ooh, what's up here? Be Spider-Man for once. Spider-Man. Guys, it's time to tell you the truth. I'm Spider-Man. 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 Does whatever a spider can. Swings his webs. Sings all day. Your friendly neighborhood natural blood. Oh, I don't want to be a ninja anymore. So, I took a bad negotiation. I told the Power Rangers that I want to be a ninja. It's not going out right. I want to be a ninja. Yes, yes. No. That's it. Hey, car accident. Watch out! Oh gosh. I'm definitely Spider-Man. Just right happened now. I'm Spider-Man. I figured that out. Just right now. Yep. Spider-Man. Okay, now where do I go? I'm up here. Seriously. How am I a pizza boxer? There you go. Okay. Oh. I better go save him. That was intense, guys. Eh. Hey, where did that pizza go? Well, someone's actually making the pizzas for once. Hey, I didn't mean to do that. What did I do? That made you mad-ish thing. Ish, maybe. Mad-ish? Cool, mad? No, not mad. I'm here for some pizzas. Just ordering some pizzas. I don't think that's even legal to do that. Just hold a pizza while driving. Hey! Who lives here? I wonder. I said ding dong. Who's that? I wonder. Maybe it's me. This better be C. Ready? C. Oh! Exact address. Ooh, what's this? A boardwalk. I'm bored. Maybe I should walk. That didn't make sense at all. Okay, yes. I really shouldn't have done that. Okay guys, I think this will conclude to your video. Thanks for watching.